Welcome to a new video. Today, we are riding along with Letter 2 from the Harrisburg fire station in the United States. The firefighters receive a call about a fire in the Allison Hill neighborhood. They respond under Code 3, with lights and sirens.
Wagon force. Wagon, I got hydrant in front of me. Tower 1, back in off 17. Tower 1 cops, we'll try and back in off 17. You'll be operating on opposite 2 opposite 2. Ladder 2, come in over 15.
With a loud air horn, the driver tries to grab extra attention from motorists. This helps prevent accidents and ensures smooth traffic flow.
Chief, do you want the second alarm or first alarm units to stage on 17? First alarm units to stage. Copy that. First alarm units to stage on 17. Fuel line on through. Fuel line on through. Copy that. Second line in the fire building. 4-2. on to the second floor. You're going to have a second line and a rear in a second. I'm being Lieutenant 1 with fire. Stay off the back of the fire. Copy that.
Hey, to the left! Yeah, he's gonna
Rattler 2, get some calls to the roof. Copy on Tower 2. You might have to just bring your manpower. We're pretty much blocked up on the street.
The firefighters have arrived at their destination. Thank you for watching this video. Special thanks to the Harrisburg Fire Department.